name is Aristotelis Kazakidis. Most of you know me with my DJ name, Aris Kazak. We have to try and utilize students as a resource. We have to redesign our freshers fair. We have to find innovating ways to promote societies. The real challenge is to find innovative ways to raise funds ourselves. Try to find a society merit system, a way to officially recognize what every member has offered to the society. I'm running in these elections because I want to change things. I'm going to actively try to develop societies.
My name is Osama Saleh. I'm a civil engineer final year. I've been very enthusiastic and I've been involved with a lot of societies. I've been involved with jiu-jitsu, sports, football, basketball, and other societies. President for the Arabic Society in my second year, the class rep for civil engineering in my second year as well, and be able to involve a lot of their committee members in order to get more active into the society, more funding for all societies, to assist, help coordinate, give some of my experience to the students and societies and clubs.
My name is, as Alan just said, Rowan Colton. Don't confuse me, please, with Rowan Ling. I've been involved in different societies here at the university. I've been president of one, I've been treasurer of another. Furthermore, outside of the university, I have the great honour of being an elected councillor. Firstly, if elected, I would introduce a new easy-to-access grant system for all society requests under £100. My second policy is to streamline, using that dreaded word, streamline, society standing. Thirdly, I want to protect and promote all societies. So I want big societies to continue to expand, but I don't want to dominate and threaten the independence of smaller societies. AGMs should be able to be conducted at any time during the academic year. So those are my four policies: funding, more accountability for society standing, a rollback of some of the decisions that have been made in the past, and the other thing I said.
Hello everyone, my name is Kiko. I'm a second year business management student. Last year I've started the Portuguese Society, which was successfully awarded to be the best newcomer society of the year. My first pledge is to improve the security of the societies. My second pledge is to try and find one or two sponsorships for the union in order to have more money available for the societies. My third pledge is related to the way AGMs and EGMs are conducted. By introducing the voting by electronic voting handset, these elections could become 100% accurate. My fourth pledge relates to the freshers and refreshers fairs. By trying to introduce new electronic systems, also would make the sign-ups much easier. My fifth pledge is to promote a meeting with the society committees grouped by type of society. This can be helpful for future joint events. My sixth and final pledge: more food diversity in the union shop, since I feel that food from more countries should be available so that people feel more at home. I believe I'm in the best position to offer advice from my experience and work towards new initiatives.